Alright, today I have a Dodge Challenger and I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers on this specific Dodge Challenger. I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers. I'm also going to show you how to turn on the windshield washer in order to wash the windshield in the Dodge Challenger. Before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so I'm sitting inside of the Dodge Challenger and I'm behind the steering wheel. In order to turn on the windshield wipers and the windshield washer, you're going to have to look through the steering wheel. And you see down here, this right here is the controls for the windshield wipers. Okay, so it's showing you right there. Okay, so in order to turn it on, they have a mist option. You see that where it says mist? So say, for instance, you have a mist on your windshield, whether it's morning dew or perhaps someone sprayed water on your windshield, which I don't know why. Or maybe you have a couple of drops of water on your windshield because it started to rain, but they decided to stop because it didn't want to ruin your day. So if that happens to you, you have the mist option. Currently, the windshield wipers are off. Now to turn it on, I'm going to go ahead and take this and pull it back this way. And when I pull it back this way, it wipes it a couple of times before stopping. Do you see that? That is the mist option. And when I release this, it goes back to the off position. All right, so that is the mist. Now to turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and take this knob right here on the end, and I'm going to turn it that way. Okay, so when I turn it this way, it's intermittence mode right here. This increases the intermittence right here. All right, intermittence, auto, I believe that's auto, could be wrong. And then you have the low setting. So the intermittence, I believe, is automatically when it detects, it wipes it, slow intermittence. And then you have the low, as you can see, it's low for a little bit of rain going on. And then you have the high, and that is for torrential heavy rain. All right, so once this rain stops, can't rain forever, the storm has to go, I go ahead and turn it all the way off to the off position. All right, and so now it's in the off position, the wipers are down flat, and what I'll do now is explain to you how to turn on the windshield washer. So in order to turn on the windshield washer to wash the windshield, you're gonna look over here and you see this right here. It shows you right here, it says push wash right here. So I'm going to push this inwards. So look, I pushed it inwards. See what it did? I pushed it inwards. And see what it's doing? It's washing the windshield just like that. And when I release it, it wipes it a few more times before it stops, and I have a clean windshield just like that. All right? So that is how you use the windshield wiper and the windshield washer on a Dodge Challenger. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Watching.